2, 1.
Here's the West Wind for Thursday, March 26th.
Byzantium. We are happy to announce the Byzantium, Glenbard West's art and literary magazine, has changed its name to Archive. Look for the first edition of Archive in May. In the meantime, please keep submitting your art and writing to be published. The final deadline is this Friday, March 27th. Submit your work to Mrs. Cianis via First Class or Google Drive.
French Club. There's an all-member meeting on Wednesday, April 8th in room 309 in the morning at 7:10.
Guidance. Attention,
Seniors!
Recently posted on West Student Conference site is the list of transcript fees due to the registrar. Fees must be paid by Friday, May 1st at 3 p.m.
Guidance. Scholarships are available. There are 4 scholarships available. One is the Stephanie Joseph Memorial Fund Scholarship. $2,500 each, and 4 are to be awarded. Short essay and 1 letter of recommendation needed. Application due by April 18th.
Guidance. Scholarships through the Joint Civic Committee of Italian Americans, 1 for females and 2 for males, $2,000 each. Women's division have several available. 1 parent must be of Italian ancestry and accepted into a college for the fall of 2015. Applications due May 18th.
Library. Attention all Glenbard West poetry lovers. The 14th annual Glenbard West Poetry Slam will be held in the Elliott Library during PLC time on Monday, April 20th. If you would like to participate in this year's Poetry Slam, you will need to fill out a sign-up sheet and return to the library by Friday, April 17th.
Operation One World. Jamba Juice Thursday. All lunch periods. Outside third floor auditorium. Bring $3 and get your favorite smoothie.
Spanish Club. There's an all-member meeting on Tuesday, April 7th after school in room 309.
Target Success. Target Success is a big brother, big sister type program that is looking for responsible juniors to be matched with incoming freshmen. If you are a responsible junior interested in helping an incoming freshman, applications can be picked up in the Social Studies office, room 229A, and must be completed and returned to Mr. Lichty in the Social Studies office before spring break.
Here's the thought for the day. Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work. Thomas Edison.